Hello guys, so I will just give you a few tips and advices that I have and I want to share with you. If you haven't done a track day before, I will give you a few advices on that. So as always, this is a personal and my opinion, so yeah, take it for what it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. So what do you need to bring to a track day? So what I used to pack is of course a bottle of water. I always carry this hydration tablets with me. I put that in the water to stay hydrated. I bring coffee because I need coffee. I bring some nuts and raisins for some energy. I also bring a hat and a sweater, sweatpants to just change clothes between the laps. It's more comfortable and to not be in my race suit all the day. That could be very tiring. Try to stay hydrated all the time. Drink a little bit all the time instead of a whole bottle in the middle of the day. It's better to just take a sip every now and then because that's the way you stay hydrated. So of course you need to check your bike before a track day. It's important to have enough brake pads on your bike. Also of course check your oil and your coolant, because my bike at least tend to use a lot of coolant during a hot day, a whole track day, so check that. Also check your tires, make sure that you have enough thread, because you use a lot of tire during a whole track day. Also check your tire pressure, because it might be a while since you checked your tire pressure before, so make sure that you have the right tire pressure. Also check your brake lever, that it doesn't touch when you brake completely. Make sure that it's okay. Check your gas handle, that it has free play, that it's smooth. Also check your chain, that it's not loose. Make sure that it's in good condition. Make sure that your bike is not too noisy. Some tracks, at least here in Sweden, have limitations on how loud it's allowed to be, so maybe you need to use a dB killer or change back to your original system, not the aftermarket part. So check that before you enter the track. Also check your insurance. Are your bike insured? Are you insured? So make sure that you have the right insurance to be able to make a track day. Of course check your gas, that you have enough gas, and make sure to fill up your gas before you enter the track, because it's not always there is a way to fill the gas here at the track. And last but not least, you don't need a sports bike to enjoy a track day. Use what you have and you will have a blast either way. You will enjoy it and you will learn a lot. So just take what you have and just take any opportunity to go for a track day. I can highly recommend it. So to the next thing, next subject is what to wear. I start off with the boots. Make sure that you have the right boots. Don't use these kind of sneakers that I often see. It's not very safe, so make sure you have the right motorcycle boots. You don't need racing boots, but some kind of better protection than these sneakers kind of motorcycle shoes that I see sometimes. So you can use a textile jacket and pants, but I recommend using leather. It's not necessary if you're just going for a first time track day, but it's better to have leather jacket and leather pants, and especially if you can zip them together, it's more safe. Even more safe is to have a race suit, but sometimes people think it's a little bit uncomfortable. But yeah, that's the best thing to wear with the right protection in it. Make sure that you have back protector. I have both back and front, and if you can use an airbag, yeah, that's even better. And of course, you need good gloves. I always bring two pair with me because I tend to get some pain in the end of the day, and I want to ride home with my a little bit more comfortable gloves than my racing gloves. But yeah, it's also very important that you have the right gloves. So before you enter your first track lap, you try to just take a few deep breaths, relax. That's the most important thing. Relax your shoulders, your hands, your upper body. Try to relax it as much as possible, because that will benefit you during the day. So, and take your time to just go around the track, learn it, see where the braking points are, and just relax, take it easy. You will have your whole day in front of you, so just take it very easy and enjoy yourself. Yeah, as I said, try to find your line, find where to brake in for the corner and how to exit, and stay on your line is important, because there are faster riders behind you that want to overtake, so you have to be predictable. So try to keep the line that you decided to take and stay with that, and you can adjust the line after next corner. But yeah, try to be as predictable as possible. Also try to find where it's a good and safe place to overtake on the track you're on. That's important to learn that. Don't overtake in the first few laps. Just learn where these best places are to overtake, and also where to enter the track and where to exit the track, and how to do that properly. So that's a few advice that I have. Hope you enjoyed the video and got some tips. Take every opportunity that you have to go on a track today. You will enjoy it, and stay safe.